despairrepair.com.
Hi everyone, welcome to despairrepair.com. Now we're going to show you how to change a light bulb in the rear lamp. This is a Skoda Fabia Mark 1, but the basic principle applies to all cars. Okay, so the first thing you do, open the trunk. As you can see, on every car you'll have a compartment like this one. It has a dual purpose. It's used both for putting things inside, like this one. We have a first aid kit here, spare light bulbs, but also for getting access to the light bulb compartment. As you can see here, you have a lever, pull the lid off. There you have the light bulb holder. There is a clip here on the light bulb holder. Pull open the clip and there you have it. You release the light bulb holder, it will look something like this. First of all, you have to find which bulb is not functioning. In this case, all bulbs are functioning, but when they aren't, you'll probably see that one of the bulbs will be sort of burnt up, foggy and all black. Okay, so once you found the bulb that's not working, take hold of the bulb like this, push it a bit inside, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Okay. Take another bulb, push it inside, be sure to insert it right, pull it down again and turn clockwise and pull it in. That's the proper way to replace a light bulb. So once you replaced the bulb, return the bulb holder back in place. Okay, so I hope you can see this. Put the bulb holder back in place. There'll be slots on the side. Be sure that all the slots that you put the holder in the slots back correctly. Be sure not to break anything and then just push in. As you can see, you'll hear the click sound. That's a sure sign that you returned the bulb holder back in place correctly. At the end, of course, return the covering back in place. Some advice: always use the proper light bulbs regarding the voltage, watts and number of filaments. There can be 1 or 2. The voltage in watts are stamped in on the side of the bulb. Replace it with one that has the same characteristics, otherwise you may have problems. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please click the subscribe button. For more information on how to do checkups and simple repairs around the car, be sure to visit us at despairrepair.com.